Hello dear friends, today I'm going to tell you about the latest project in Madinat Jumeirah Living, Dubai, right in front of Burj Al Arab. Let's go. So the project is called Jomana and it will be ready in 2026. So this is our project right here. Right in front of it is Burj Al Arab, Palm Jumeirah, this is Dubai Marina, and over there is downtown. So this is the plot of the whole Madinat Jumeirah Living, and this is Jomana, the latest project, and it is the 7th in the whole project. So here it is. These are buildings with classical architecture, and this is Burj Al Arab. So here you can see the facade of the buildings. You can see that they are modern, but still in classic colors. This is the pool between the houses, and point your attention that here and there are green plants. This is the playground, which is on another side of the building. Here is the lobby by which you will go to your apartments, and it is rather stylish and with premium high-quality materials. This is the variant of the living room, and please point your attention to the ceiling-to-floor windows, which allows a lot of light. This is also a variant of the living room, and this is a small balcony. This is the bedroom, and it is also with a nice balcony. So, if you like this project, if you want to know more details about it, please feel free to contact us. We will be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.